Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another sweet lesson. We have been doing the best of Instagram, and I'm going to show you how from your Instagram you can collect your videos just like I have been, and then you can share them back with me if you want to continue to add to the best of Instagram throughout the summer. So my friends, let's get cracking. So the first step is to record a cool video using your Instagram on your phone so you have some content for the best of HLModTech Instagram. Like I have here for this donor phone that I created a Gmail account for, where it has a tester HL account. Then start a brand new tab and search for if this then that. So if you do IFTTT, so this then that, 3 T's, it brings up this sweet website called If This Then That you can launch. I'm going to sign up for it on this account. I'm going to use Google. My Gmail, I have linked to that tester account. On the first page, I'm going to simply hit Instagram, Gmail, and Google Drive because I'm going to use those together. I'm going to simply click on the Discover More option. And then up in the box, I am going to type Instagram. I am looking for Instagram to Google Drive, so I'm just going to scroll through the list, and I want all of my videos to be pulled up there. I do not see it, so I'm going to click More until I finally find Save Instagram Videos to my Google Drive, and then I'm going to link it. All I need to do is turn it on, and then take the time to log into both accounts. I'm going to authorize it the permission to do so. Once again, I'm going to click my little email account and I'm going to allow. And then the defaults are going to take the URL and they're going to save it. I could add a special name, but I'm going to use the caption instead. And then it's going to put it in an IFTTT Instagram folder and be done with it. When I hit save, it goes to work, and then I can clean up my screen by going to the My Applets so I only see the one that is running. I'm going to switch to a new tab quickly, and let's find my Google Drive, and let's get ready so we can verify that our new app is working. So I just recorded a new little video. Let's click on my Save to Instagram applet, and let's do check now. And instead of it running in a few hours, let's see if it runs immediately. There it pops the applet checked. Let's see if something showed up in Google Drive. Oh my gosh, there it is, my If This Then That folder, my Instagram folder, and you can see there is a brand new video that I just recorded called I Love This Spinner. Let's double click it and see if it'll play. It might take a second to populate.
Fidget Spinner by Giselle.
But there I am with my video bragging about how cool Giselle's fidget spinner was. So then if you made something incredible you wanted to share with me, all you need to do is right click and choose share. You can give me the link to view. Simply copy that link, send it in an email to hlmodtech@gmail.com. So that way, my friends, even if you're not in my classroom or if you're in my classroom at a different time, you can share content that gets put in the best of HLModTech Instagram. A great way for us to keep it going as we also make epic cool designs. Friends, if you found this useful, please hit that like button. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Mash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.